Okay, guys, welcome to session. Let's start our session now.
Hello everyone. Today we're gonna learn about estimation of cube root. Before we learn estimation of cube root, we have to remember that is what should be the unit place. Okay. So if any number is ending with 1, cube will end with 1. What I've told you, if any number is ending with 1, 4, 5, 6, 9, 0. 1, 4, 5, 6, 9, 0. The cube will also end with same number. And if any number is ending with 2, cube will end with 8. If number is ending with 8, cube will end with 2. And similarly 3, 7. That is, अगर क्यूब 2 से एंड हो रहा है तो क्यूब रूट 8 से एंड होगा. अगर क्यूब रूट 2 से एंड हुआ तो क्यूब 8 से एंड होगा. आर यू गाइस एबल टू रिमेंबर दिस थिंग? गिव मी वन. ठीक है. नाउ हाउ डू वी डू दिस क्वेश्चन? ट्राई टू फोकस. Yeah, this was the table, right? Now suppose you want to find cube root of 6859. You want to find cube root of 6859. Okay. Now what you have to do, from unit place, try to divide into two groups. One group, two group. यहाँ पे 6 अकेला बचा. Now these are two groups. Group number 1 is 859 and this is group number 2. Now if you'll focus on 859, what we can observe? We can observe that if cube number is ending with 9, it means that cube root will end with 9. ये बात क्लियर है कि नहीं? हमें एस्टिमेशन करना है. मैं क्या बोल रहा हूं? मैं बोल रहा हूं कि अगर क्यूब 9 से एंड हो रहा है तो क्यूब रूट भी 9 से एंड होगा. अपने ने यहां पे पढ़ा था अभी, यहां पे देखा है 14569 ठीक है. सो 859 से एंड हो रहा है तो हमने बोला इट विल क्यूब रूट विल एंड विथ 9. नाउ द नेक्स्ट ग्रुप इज 6. And 6 is between which number's cube? 6 is between 1 cube and 2 cube. आपको क्या करना है? The next group that is there, you have to take it should be between some numbers. So what we can see? We can see that 6 is between 1 cube and 2 cube. Now इसमें से जो स्मॉलर नंबर है वो सिलेक्ट कर लो. क्या आया? 19. क्लियर है? डायरेक्ट हमने बता दिया क्यूब रूट क्या आया? 19. समझ आया बच्चों को? लैग क्लियर और नॉट? एनीवन? हाउ 9? बेटा कार्तिक देखो कैसे 9 आया, ध्यान से देखना. अगर मेरा नंबर 9 से एंड हो रहा है तो मतलब क्यूब रूट भी 9 से एंड होगा. यही तो हमने पढ़ा था. अगर मेरा नंबर इनमें से किसी नंबर से एंड हो रहा है, इफ नंबर इज एंडिंग विद 1 4 5 6 9 0, क्यूब रूट विल आल्सो एंड विद सेम नंबर. अगर 2 8 रहता, 3 7 रहता तो हम चेंज कर लेते. ओके, आई विल एक्सप्लेन विथ वन मोर एग्जांपल. नाउ suppose I want to find square root of which number? 421875. I will try to make groups. One group, second group. Now what we can see here, my number, it is ending with 5. Number क्या है? It is ending with 5. It means that cube root will end with 5. Simple है. Now if I will focus on 421, आपको खोजना है. What you have to do? You have to take two numbers in which 421 is lying. किन दो नंबर के क्यूब के बीच में 421 लाई कर रहा है? ध्यान से देखना. इफ आई एम राइटिंग 7 क्यूब, 7 क्यूब कितना होता है? इट इज 343. एंड हाउ व्हाट इज 8 क्यूब? 8 क्यूब इज 512. So clearly we can see that 421 is between 7 cube. 421 is between 7 cube and 8 cube. So which is smaller number between 7 and 8? It is 7. So यहाँ पे आप डायरेक्ट लिख दो 75. So what cube root we got? We got 75. So what you have to do? Guess unit digit. Now the other group that we have, you have to imagine that particular number, it should be between two cube numbers, and the smaller cube number you will replace. Clear? कितने बच्चों को समझ में आया? One more example I'm going to give you guys. ठीक है, एक और एग्जाम्पल करते हैं. One more example. Now suppose my number is 57187, sorry, 571 571787. ठीक है. Now I'll make group 1, group 2. Now what I have learned? I have learned that if number is ending with 2, it will cube will end with 8, or if number is ending with 8, cube will end with 2. Now same logic is for 3 7. It means that if my number is ending with 7, its cube root it will end with 3. If number is ending with 7, its cube root will end with 3. Now the other group is 571, and 571 is between 8 cube and 9 cube. 8 cube hota hai 512, and this is 9 cube. Which is smaller number? Smaller number is 8. What will be the cube root? Cube root of 571787, it is equal to 83. And this estimation method, it is applicable when the cube is perfect. Perfect cube numbers के लिए ये applicable है हमेशा. Clear? How many of you are able to understand now? Should we do some examples? Yeah, give us question, right? Let's have one question. Question is, find the cube root of 39304 by estimation method. Started. Okay. So we can finish it. And we can see that Ramcharan, Aradhita, and Arvind, they have done the question. Now focus. What number I have? 39304. Make group. Okay. So my number is ending with 4. If a number is ending with 4, cube root will end with 4. Okay. The next group is 39. 39 is between which cube? 39 is between 3 cube and 4 cube. 3 cube कितना होता है 27, 4 cube is 64. Which is smaller number here? Smaller number is 3. Right, 3 here 34. Option A is correct. Clear है? 34 will be the correct option. Okay. Next question. Find the cube root of 85184 using estimation method. Try to solve it. Okay, so we can finish it now. And what we can see that Karthik, Arvind, and Ramcharan, they have done in quick time. Now focus. What is my number? 85184. If my number is ending with 4, cube root will end with 4. 85. 85 is between 4 cube and 5 cube. What is smaller number? It is 4. So what answer should be there? 44. Option D is correct. एक मिनट रुक जाओ. Clear or not? ठीक है. The next question. The next question is find the cube root of 238328 by estimation method. Start it. Okay. So we can finish it now. And what we can see? We can see that Arvind, Krishna Sai, and Ramcharan, they have done in quick time. What is my number? 238328. Now, I know the trick. If to ending with 8, cube root will end with 2. If ending with 3, 7, 2, 8. Now group 3 to 8, it means that this number square root, sorry, cube root will end with 8. Also the next group is 238. Now what is value of 6 cube? 6 cube is somewhere around 216 and 7 cube is 343. Clearly what we can identify that 2 3 is it between 6 cube and 7 cube. What is smaller number? It is 6. So replace with 6 and you will get, सॉरी यहाँ पे ये 2 है बच्चे, सॉरी, या 2 का 8, 62 विल बी द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. क्लियर है? वन मोर, या आफ्टर दिस वी विल डिस्कस द डेसिमल वाला पार्ट. ओके, द क्वेश्चन इज फाइंड द क्यूब रूट ऑफ 74088. स्टार्टेड. Okay. So we can finish it now. What is my number? 74088. One group, second group. Okay. Now 088, it means that number is ending with 8, cube root will end with 2. And next number is 74. Now 74 is between 4 cube, 64 and 5 cube. What is smaller number? It is 4. So what you will get? You will get 42. Option A is correct. Clear? Okay. Now the next type of question that you will get is related to decimal number. What we can see? We can see that we want to find cube root of 4.913. So before decimal, make one group, and after decimal, make one group. Before decimal, make one group. After decimal, make one group. Now if I focus on 0.913, 0.913, number is ending with 3. It means that cube root will end with 7. Point is here, apply point also. If you'll focus on 4, if you'll focus on 4, 4 is between 1 cube and 2 cube. What is smaller number? It is 1. So the cube root of 4.913 is how much? 1.7. Clear or not? Question is find the square cube root of 571.787. Try to solve it. Okay. So we can finish it now. Now what we can see here, we can see that we have number 571.787. Make group. Before decimal, one group. After decimal, one group. Okay. Now what we can observe here, we can see that 787 is there. Okay. So if number is ending with 7, it means that cube root will end with 3. Also, if I focus on 571, 571 is between 8 cube. 8 cube कितना होता है? 8 cube is 512. So 571 is between 8 cube and 9 cube. 9 cube is 729, which is smaller number 8. So the answer should be what? 8.2. कितना easy है ना? अच्छा फास्टेस्ट सिंगर, चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन से दिखाऊंगा, ये बार भूल गया. Sir, in square root after 2 digit, 1 point we will put. Yeah. Okay. Next question. This time question, be very careful this time. You have to find the cube root of 0.001728. This time be very careful. अभी आपको दिमाग लगाना है थोड़ा सा. Nice. Almost everyone has done it correctly. Okay. So I can finish it, and what we can see that Arvind, Karthik, and Vaishnavi they have done in quick time. What is my number? 0.001728. Before decimal, no number is there. So how I will make group? One group, second group. Number is ending with 8. It means that cube root will end with 2. Now 001, 001 का मतलब if I talk about 001, it is between 1 cube and 2 cube. 1 cube के equal 1. What is smaller number? It is 1. So what? How much you will get? 1, 2. And before that you apply one decimal also. Clear? No, but after 2 digits, because one for 1 cube this much, for 1 cube this much, like that. Yeah, logic also you can use. Okay. Next question. This question is also very important. Just listen carefully here. This statement is of cube root. यहाँ पे क्या है cube root? Here you have to find square root, and here you have -1. Okay. And also I will give you the hint. Square root of a by b क्या होता है? It is square root of a over square root of b. Similarly, cube root of a by b is cube root of a divided by cube root of b. So use these two logics and simplify all the values, you will get it. Try to solve. Kenil has done it correctly. Neil, Vaishnavi, Arvind, Hashini has done it, and I'm waiting for two more students. So you have to पानी दे दो. Okay, I'm going to finish it. So those who are not able to do, quickly try to do it. Okay, nice. So I can finish it and we can see the how we do this question. First, just आप values बताते जाओ. Tell me, what is cube root of 0.027? What is cube root of 0.027? 0.3. Cube root of 0.027 is 0.3. 0.3. बस 0.03 नहीं. Because 0.3 if you multiply 3 times, so decimal will come before 3 points. 0.3, 0.3, 0.3 multiply करोगे तो क्या होगा? Decimal will come before. Similarly, cube root of 0.008 is how much? It is 0.2. So this expression will become 0.3 by 0.2. Now similarly, what is square root of 0.09? Square root of 0.09 is 0.3. Square root of 0.04 is 0.2. So what you will get? 0.3 over 0.2 minus 1. Now, ये तो सेम है, ये दोनों सेम है, कैंसिल कैंसिल, यू विल गेट आंसर. व्हाट यू विल गेट minus 1. Which option is correct? Minus 1. Cube root of minus 64 by 343. You have to find cube root of minus 64 by 343. Start it. यार रीस्टार्ट चलो कर लेता हूँ, ऐसा कोई दिक्कत नहीं. Okay, we can finish it. And you wanted to find cube root of minus 64 over 343. I can write it as cube root of 64 divided by cube root of 343. Cube root of minus 64 is how much? It is minus 4. Cube root of 343 is 7. Minus 4 by 7. The next question is the length of each side of a cubical box. Cubical box means a cube. क्यूबिकल बॉक्स ऐसा होता है, आपने देखा होगा. ऐसा नहीं होता सर, आप जैसा बना दियो. 1 minute. Yeah, cubical box is a box in which 1 minute. Yeah, कुछ गड़बड़ी करा क्या मैंने? ऐसा होता है यार, अभी कहाँ गड़बड़ हो रहा है, कहीं तो एक दिन. चलो ठीक है, ऐसा ही. So cubical box is a box or three-dimensional object in which length is a, breadth is a, and height is also a. And what is the volume? What is the volume of cubical box? It is a cube. A cube means side into side into side. And what are the values of side? Side is a. Cubical box मतलब सब कुछ सेम होता है, लेंथ ब्रेथ हाइट सब कुछ सेम होता है. So length of each side is 2.4 meter. You have to find its volume with proper unit. With proper unit. Start it. Okay, we can finish it. And what we can see, we wanted to find volume. So volume कितना होगा? 2.4 into 2.4 into 2.4 into meter cube, or you can say cubic meter. 2.4 into 2.4 into 2.4 is 13.824. सब में 1382.4. Why this is incorrect? Because cubic centimeter. यहाँ पे मीटर स्क्वायर है, हमें क्या चाहिए? मीटर क्यूब. Here we have centimeter square, so only option A is correct. Okay, clear? Cubic, cu मतलब cube, cubic. Krishna Sai, if you have taken screenshot, you can send it to mentor ma'am. Sell, collect coin and start it also. Okay, yeah. So I can finish it. And we can see that Arvind, Vaishnavi, and Prathmesh, they have done the question in quick time. And if you are able to see the correct ranking list, just give me one. Okay. So in question, what we had a cube is 64. We want to find a. So what I can do, I can take cube root both sides. What is cube root of 64? It is 4 centimeter. Okay. One last question.
Okay guys, thank you for watching my video, and if you like my video, like and share, and if you have any doubts, you also comment me, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos.